What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I will show you how can you make 500 ClickBank profit per day. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, Quora Plus and many other marketplaces, and I am working here for last 8 years and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Now in this video I will show you how to promote weight loss products for free and you can make 500 ClickBank profit per day. Big money guys. And you don't need any website, you don't need to run paid ads, you don't need to make videos, or you don't need to do any spam meters. So guys, stay with me and make 500 ClickBank commission per day. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. You will get a lot of info inside this YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. I am uploading videos in daily basis. And if you want to make big money by affiliate marketing, then check my number on recommendation and check my video description, and you see here my Facebook page, and you can communicate directly by this Facebook page. If you have any question, then message here, and you will see a lot of info inside my Facebook page. And you see here 12 income increasing bonuses. It's free for you and it will help you to increase your income more and more. Now I will show step by step everything how can you promote weight loss products and make 500 per day from ClickBank with 100% free. It's totally newbie friendly, and I will show you all the tricks that can help you to make this ClickBank commission. So at first you have to create an ClickBank account. If you have an ClickBank account, then it's fine, and if you don't have account, then go here clickbank.com and sign up here. Just your country, first name, last name, your phone number, your email address, password, and check it and join ClickBank. It's so simple and so much easy. And if you are unable to open ClickBank account, or if you don't have ClickBank account, then you can try digistore24.com. It's digistore. If you don't have ClickBank account, then you can check digistore for getting weight loss products. Now you have to find the best products for promoting. Now go this marketplace, it's the ClickBank marketplace. Then go here, health and fitness. You see a lot of weight loss products here, and you have to choose any on of all these products, and I recommend you to choose the low price products, and I also recommend you to choose the rebuild product. Then if you can sell on product, then you will get commission month after month. So it will be the best to choose low price product and rebuild product. That will be fine for getting more best results. Now step number 3, and it's the main part, is traffic. And I will show you these unlimited traffic sources, but you have to do opt for this. It's not any software, it's not any spammy method, and you don't get result within 1 click or within 10 minutes or within 24 hours. But if you continue this or days after days, then I will assure you, you will make this ClickBank commission, and it will be free. Now go this site, Quora. You think I know about Quora, and I am trying a lot of methods inside Quora, but I am failed to make money from Quora. But today I will show you a little tricks that will help you to make money from Quora and ClickBank. So, and any another thing, and you can tell me, I know here I have to answer all other people's question, but I don't know the answer. Then how can I will answer here? Now I will show you these little tricks here. Just follow me. So at first you have to search weight, lose weight or weight loss. And you see here a lot of questions inside this category, and you can get a lot of question, and if you have to provide minimum 5 answers per day, mind it. Now let me show the tricks. Suppose if you want to answer this question, then copy it and go use YouTube and search it exact this answer, and look here. Here is the question: why is it so hard to lose weight? And I direct copy it and search in YouTube, and I get all these answers. Now you can open this. I recommend you to watch this video first and get the idea from this video, and it will be your answer inside Quora. So you don't need to know all the questions answer. Your questions answer is ready. At first you watch this video full, then go here, open transcript, you see all the transcript of this video is here. So at first watch this video and get the idea, then you can use this transcript to your notepad and copy it, then answer here. Open it. At first open this question, then answer, then write your answer. So copy it this transcript, then edit it inside your text document. After that, you can provide your answer here, and in the last you can recommend your preferable products. That's it. So there is no excuse. I don't know the questions answer. I don't know how to use Quora. It's so simple. So at first, search in weight loss or fat loss, or how to lose weight in quick, very fast, or how to lose weight within within 7 days. This type of question. Then direct search this question into YouTube and get the answer. Then open the transcript and get your best answer for this question. Paste it, and finally recommend your weight loss product for quick results. That's it. So guys, if this video help you, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with others. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and if you want to make big money per month over 10,000, then check my number on recommendation, and you see here it's my affiliate commission. It's an high ticket training program, and you see I made 12 high ticket sales inside this training program. So guys, if you want to make these big sales like me, then check my number on recommendation. So I hope this video will help you to make money from ClickBank with weight loss products for free. It's so much simple and easy for anyone. So guys, your first step is open an ClickBank account. Your step number 2, find the best product. It will be a low price product and reveal product. And step number 3, open Quora, find your question, then copy this question to YouTube and get your best answer, then transcribe it, edit it, and paste your answer, and provide your recommended weight loss products for getting fast results. So guys, that's it. Best of luck, take action, and make this ClickBank commission per day. It's not a overnight method. You have to provide 5 answers minimum per day for getting results quickly. But I don't assure you it will you will get results within 1 day, 1 week, or 10 days. Your task, your workability will tell you about your results. So guys, best of luck, take action, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. So guys, best of luck.